Welcome to ECTV Tries, where we are both confident, for now. I'm H.
And I'm Erik. Welcome to a fun episode of Boyfriend versus Best Friend.
Today, we have a special task that includes our lovely producer of ECTV Tries, Brooke.
We have 3 categories of questions that will be Brooke related for us to answer. We will answer by writing on the whiteboard.
By the end, we will see who is victorious and knows Brooke better.
Let's get started.
I'm very excited. Okay.
Question 1. We're starting with surface level questions.
Okay.
How many tattoos does Brooke have?
Great.
We're already off to a rough start. I can imagine some of them in my head. I think I'm missing something.
Might be 6.
The correct answer is 6.
Okay.
What is Brooke's major?
Okay, well,
Communications with minor in graphic design.
no. It's wrong. I'm right.
What do you say?
It's digital media production and graphic design. She has 2 majors. She has 2 majors. It was a trick question. No, it's not her minor though.
Yeah.
I'm calling for
You
that
are right.
one.
It is 2 majors.
Half a point. What is Brooke's favorite TV show?
Ooh, okay. I thought of one. I'm gonna be so mad if it's the other one I'm thinking. Are we good?
Okay. I don't know the specifics.
Avatar: The Last Airbender.
I just said Avatar. Not the movie.
Giving you that. What is Brooke's cat name?
I said nacho
Pepin.
or mochi. I don't know.
Is this spelled right? Is it?
Is that spelled right?
Got it. How long has Brooke been producing Tries for?
Okay. Oh, this is very specific. Okay, so 2 years / like 4
years.
seasons.
Okay, H got it. Brooke had a minor before she declared 2 majors. What was this minor?
Oh, interesting. Okay. I went with the very obvious graphic design. Was it architecture?
Are you taking that? No, what Erik said.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're taking what Erik
Okay,
said.
cool.
It was architectural studies. What was the song Brooke used in her music video and video production?
Oh, I don't know what it's called.
I have no idea, but I'm going to go with one of her favorite songs.
Please give me points for this one. I'm trying so hard. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay. It's like the one, so like, I know they're in a boat, it's like across the sea or something. I've seen it, I can see it in my head. There's like a little paper boat. I don't know what the song is called.
Okay, how many roommates has Brooke had over the 4 years,
Wow.
including summers and housemates?
Wow.
Like different roommates?
See, I sat down with her and we actually counted this one time.
Ooh.
Erik got it.
Wow.
Brooke hates this specific actor. What actor is this?
Why can't I get what she loves? I'm stuck on Gwen. Gwen's poisoning my mind. This is a shout out to Gwen, because I know Gwen hates Josh Peck. I can't think of, I'm gonna make a guess. I
I
don't know.
know this is at least one of them. Ray Liotta.
I know, okay, yeah, you're so right. I said Will Smish.
Well, the other correct answer was Will Ferrell. So you went
Oh,
with-
okay. Because you
does
don't
hate
like
Will
Elf.
What is Brooke's stim or saying?
So just, can we give like anything?
Yeah, I don't.
Yep. She always says brother to me a lot.
I said
Bruh.
the transatlantic
Brother.
accent where she goes like schmeh,
Yeah.
or she also says Will Smish because for Halloween you and her dressed up as the characters
Yeah.
from was it Shark Tale?
Yep.
What is the name of her car the Kia sold?
I don't think she told me this when she got it.
All right. Benny. Off of the movie Sandlot. Benny.
I
the
said
Jet
hamster
Rodriguez.
car. Can't take my points away.
Okay. Yeah, H is wrong.
Yeah.
Brooke is allergic to one thing. What is it?
Eggs. I said bees.
Soy.
Neither of you are correct. The correct answer was penicillin.
I'm allergic to that. So, okay, so you definitely haven't told me that because I know for a fact I would have gone, I'm allergic to that.
Yeah, I don't think I've heard that either.
Ah,
Brooke used to run a fan account. What was the account for, and what did she do on it?
okay, this one I think I'm confident in. I think I know this one. I think I got this one.
I think you might get me on the details, but
Okay.
I know at least half
Okay,
of it.
ready?
Yep.
Okay. What'd you write? Fanfic for... Oh, okay, so like...
close.
Yeah, so it's
No,
Dream.
it was Riverdale, and it was Riverdale.
Oh, so
Oh,
it's Riverdale
didn't you write
fanfiction,
it?
not Minecraft.
Eric's getting 1 point for that. Brooke has 3 different personas at school. List one of them.
Okay, I think I have all 3. I think 2 of them might technically overlap, but I think that's okay. Going for it.
I don't know. We'll stick with 2.
Okay,
All right.
go.
I have sporty and communications. I don't know.
I said Brocco Films, Brocco, which I know sometimes those are separate, and then also Brock.
Okay, Age gets 1 point.
I guess the persona thing threw me off.
What are the other 2?
Is this
Oh,
even
shit.
close?
Brocco Films is correct.
Okay.
The other 2 were Bear Onesie and Mrs. Dirty.
Oh.
Okay, Mrs. Dirty, I don't know. Hold on, I dropped a marker cap.
That's the personas.
Mrs. Dirty, I don't know. I did know Bear Onesie, but I thought I was.
I
allowed
guess,
to-
I mean, I kind of did
I
think
thought I wasn't
alter
allowed to
egos. I
talk
just
about that
wasn't
anymore.
thinking. I was
That's
more
true. You're thinking like the
areas
air-
that she
yeah.
kind of.
Bear Onesie.
Okay.
I think you got me.
Figure out who won.
I think it was close, but I think you got
Yeah,
it.
maybe
The,
like a
I think the
point.
architect question, low key, I think I should have known that. That pulled you ahead.
It's clutch.
Age got. Do you want to guess first?
I think you won.
Age got 6.5. Eric got 8.5.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
let's go.
Close. Good game.
Yep.
Good game.
Yep.
Well, that's it for this week's episode. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes of ECTV Tries. I'm H.
And I'm Eric, and thanks for watching ECTV Tries.
Bye, guys.
Bye.